Let me tell you about a pet project of mine that we're working on here at Capax Global. As a cyclist, I trained all year long, and one of the things I hate doing is training indoors until I found this really cool program that allows me to ride my bike on a smart trainer. One of the things that I'm working on is wiring the body with hardwired sensors and capturing remote sensors or wireless sensors through Bluetooth, whether that's in the power or through the heart rate in capturing those kind of metrics. Taking that data and pushing it to the Azure cloud through our IoT hub and visualizing that. Let me just walk you through the bicycle. This is my bike. It's a Trek, custom made for our team. This is attached to a smart trainer. That is what drives the experience in the game. That data can also be captured by me through my Raspberry Pi that's in my back, which has some wired sensors connected to it. The wired sensors measure my body position and my temperature and humidity generated while on the bike. These are just a couple of sensors. The prototype that we're working on actually has many sensors, so it can measure subtle measurements, subtle movements on the bike. Syncing power with heart rate, with movement, pushed to the cloud and captured in a remote location. Now, let me show you how all this works, and both from a game standpoint, which is capturing some of the sensor data, and from our remote laptop, which is capturing other data through the Azure cloud. As you can see, this game is very immersive. At any given time, I can jump on my Trek bicycle and join other riders from all over the world. This trainer is a smart trainer in that as the elevation in the game changes, that will send signal down to my wireless trainer to tell it to be more difficult or easier to pedal as the elevation changes. So there's wired sensors and wireless sensors producing data, sending it to the Azure cloud and coming back real time and captured here, and visualize it in Power BI. Our next revision of this will be to take this data, use it in Azure Machine Learning Studio to produce some interesting perspectives on movement and position on the bike relative to how efficient an athlete is. This is just one of the things that we're working on here at Capax Global in our IoT lab. Thanks for listening.